guys, how are you today? Hoping you're doing well. It's your girl Ann, and I'm back again with a very interesting video kama kawaida. How have you been? I hope you have been good. I also have been good, and guess what? For some few weeks we have not been shooting, and today was on a Sunday, and I sent juu niko tu hapa, let me take you niwaonyeshe venye napikianga mtoto, naenda kumpikia nduma, and I said why not, I should take you through the process of how baby. Sawa, nakuja. Nikasema acha niwaonyeshe venye mimi mtengenezea chakula yake tu ya lunch. So it's just a simple and a short recipe of how I make my baby some nduma. Yes. So before I even show you our ingredients for today, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You like, you share, and you leave down a comment. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And for my new subscribers, karibuni sana nyumbani. I love you my people. Stay tuned, usitoke, umefika kwenye ulikuwa umeenda, by the way, usiende mahali. So let me show you our ingredients for today. Because today we are making some nduma. We have some nduma here, you can see. We have some bananas, unripe bananas, doizo. And we have some potatoes. Yeah, we have some potatoes. We have some few pieces of beef. I've already boiled it. And we have some two sliced tomatoes, and we have one piece of onion. Yeah, sawa, I've already sliced it. So let's go straight to our sufuria and show you how we do it. Who said, by the way, lazima mtoto apewe boring food? No, we must make our children some nice food. Okay, we have some oil kama kawaida, na go heat, not boiling, sorry, ngoja ina heat. Then naongeza kitunguu hapa. This is one of the recipes of the food, how I make some food for my baby. Sio kufanyia mtoto tumbukiza, no. This is how we are going to do it. Kaanga kitunguu tu kama venye unakaanga yako. Alafu juu ya mtoto, I won't let the kitunguu be brown, but I will cook it to my desired point. Sawa, staacha i-cook sana. Like now it's ready, so we can add in our next ingredient. Then we let the meat cook kidogo, like for 2 minutes. Alafu tuongeze next. Now we can add our nduma. Yes baby, yogurt. Okay, here comes our nduma. Let's start kidogo. Nduma will take time zikiva, so we are going to give them like 5 minutes zikuku kidogo kabla tuongeze our. After 5 minutes tuangalie. Oops. There we go. Everything so far so good. Naiva tu vizuri. Now at this point we can now add our potatoes. We go. And potatoes. Because this meal is made specifically for the baby. We are not going to add any spices. No yada, no green capsicum or red or the yellow one, no. Because bado sijamuintroduce kwa spices, inaenda kukaa tu hivyo, but it's quite boring. Okay, so let's stir this gently tu, hauna haraka. You see? Then we add our tomatoes. And now we start. Wow, the aroma, my people. What? Nanuka poa. Nanuka poa sana. Yani natamani tu nikule hivi tu. Nikule nikipea mtoto, lazima mama akule. We are not going to survive in this world. Wow, so nice. Now at this point, tunaongeza the potatoes to cook. Kidogo tu. You are making some nduma for your family or your baby or even for yourself, make sure the nduma or the mixture is almost at the same point with the water. Unaona hapa hivi, as you can see, asijafunikwa, aziko chini, iko tu on the same level. You can see almost. Now hivyo ndo inafaa kukaa. So let's give it some like 10 minutes you cook, then we come and see it. Ooh. Everything it's now kidogo tu ikuwe ready. Alafu unaona haijakuwa like mashed, no. Kama ni the banana ndo hiyo, nduma ndo hiyo. You can see, you can separate them. Waru ndo hiyo. Everything it's on. So at this point, I can say everything it's ready. Lakini junior mtoto inafaa overcook kidogo tu. So acha ive kidogo, asikuwe na shida ya kukula. But if it were I was making the meal for us or for me or for myself, at this point we could have called it a day. But junior mtoto, we have to make it overcook a bit little. Alafu again, kama unataka kujua ama kuangalia kama chakula imeiva, this is how you do. Unafanya hivi. Ukiona imeenda ndani, hiyo imeiva. Hivyo. You see? Good. And alafu, you can see the soup is so thick. Wow. Tamu sana. At this point, chakula yetu imeiva. As you can see, iko ready. So ready. So acha nipakue ndo nipee mtoto chakula. Okay? I enjoy. So my people, that's all for today. Remember to subscribe, you like, you share, and to leave down a comment. So mi nasema thank you so much. I hope you have learned something, one or two, on how to make some nice food for your baby or your family or even yourself. So allow us to dig into hata hapa naona namwaribia time. So allow us, I give the baby some food, and let's meet each other on our next video. Bye bye. Love you.